If your OneDrive sync is failing, showing an error, or refusing to upload files, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest and safest ways to fix OneDrive sync errors step by step. These methods are simple, beginner-friendly, and can solve most common syncing problems without needing advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes and software guides. Now, let's get into it. First, check your internet connection. OneDrive needs a stable connection to sync properly, so before changing anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is working correctly. If your internet is weak or disconnected, OneDrive may pause, freeze, or show sync errors. Next, click the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar. This is usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen near the system tray. Once you open it, look carefully at the error message shown in the OneDrive pop-up. That message can give you a clue about whether the issue is related to storage, file naming, permissions, or connectivity. If the problem still isn't clear, try the basic fixes first. Click the gear icon inside OneDrive, then choose Pause Syncing and select 2 hours. This temporarily stops syncing and can help refresh the connection. Wait a few seconds, then go back and resume syncing again. Sometimes that quick pause and restart is enough to clear a temporary glitch. If that doesn't work, restart your PC. A simple restart can fix background service issues, refresh OneDrive processes, and clear temporary conflicts that may be stopping sync. After your computer turns back on, check OneDrive again and see if the issue has been resolved. Now let's check the problematic file itself, because sometimes the issue is not OneDrive, but one file causing the error. Make sure the file is not open in another app. If a document, spreadsheet, or photo is currently being used elsewhere, OneDrive may not be able to sync it. Close the file completely and try again. Also check that the file name does not contain unsupported symbols. Special characters can sometimes cause sync problems, especially if the file name includes unusual punctuation or formatting. If needed, rename the file to something simple and test the sync again. Another thing to check is storage space. If the file is too large for your available OneDrive storage, or if your account is running out of space, syncing may fail. Delete unnecessary files, free up storage, or upgrade your plan if needed. If the issue still continues, the next step is to reset OneDrive. This can fix more stubborn sync problems and refresh the app without deleting your files. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then paste this command exactly: C:\program files \Microsoft OneDrive \OneDrive.exe \reset. After pasting it, press Enter. Then wait 1 to 2 minutes while OneDrive resets in the background. It may disappear temporarily, and that is completely normal. After the wait, open the Start menu, search for OneDrive, and launch the app again. If prompted, sign into your account. Once OneDrive reopens, give it a moment to reconnect and begin syncing again. In many cases, this reset is enough to fix a broken sync cycle and get everything moving normally again. If the sync issue still isn't fixed, update Windows and OneDrive to the latest version. Outdated software can cause compatibility problems, and updates often include bug fixes that improve syncing performance. Also make sure your OneDrive storage is not full, because a full account can stop files from uploading completely. If you are using a VPN, Firewall, or Antivirus software, try temporarily disabling it just to test whether it is blocking OneDrive sync. Sometimes security tools can interfere with cloud connections, even when your internet is working fine. If sync starts working after turning one of these off, you'll know what the problem was. By now, one of these fixes should have solved your OneDrive sync error. Start with the simple checks, move to the file-specific fixes, and then use the reset step if needed. That method usually handles the most common OneDrive syncing issues quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. And if you want, I can also help you with more OneDrive fixes, Windows errors, and productivity tips in the next video. Thanks for watching.